The figure 8 knot is useful as a stopper knot to prevent a line from sliding through a retaining device.
To tie it, make a loop with the working end. Continue under and around the standing end. Twist the loop, pass the tail up through it, and pull both ends to tighten. The figure 8 knot is superior to other common stopper knots, such as the overhand knot, because it's larger, non-binding, and easier to untie.
Start by crossing the working end or tail of the line over the top of the standing line, making a Q shape. Twist the loop once away from the tail of the Q. Hold the end of the line or tail of the Q up through the upper loop from behind. Pull both ends of the line to tighten the knot.
Remember to twist the loop away from the working end before bringing the tail through the loop.
The figure 8 knot also can be used in lashing, as well as to keep a line from sliding through a pulley, or to prevent a halyard from slipping into the mainsail rigging. If the final knot resembles a figure 8, you've done it right.
To untie, push the ends together to loosen, and then undo the working end.